Beginning September 15th, all passengers landing in China from the United States must have tested negative for COVID-19 before boarding. The test must be within 3 days of departure. Travel between the two nations remains severely limited. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says over 30 coronavirus vaccines have entered clinical trials, 9 of which have gone into the critical third phase, including 4 by Chinese companies. The rest are from firms in the United States, Britain, Australia, Germany, and Russia. The WHO says it hopes to see results from these by the end of this year. And 2 Chinese pharmaceutical companies are displaying potential COVID-19 vaccines at a trade show now underway in Beijing. Our reporter Wu Guoshu visited one of the production facilities.
Testing the packaging lines. One vaccine candidate produced by biopharma company Sinovac has been in phase 3 clinical trials since July. But to prepare for potential mass production, the company has built this 20,000 square meter production plant.
Testing began in this vaccine facility on June the 30th. From cultivating the virus to the final packaging, one vaccine will take more than 40 days to create. And the Sinovac believes this facility is able to produce more than 300 million doses annually.
The company says phase 1 and 2 trials showed its vaccine was safe and effective without serious side effects.
After performing injections in over 1,000 volunteers, some only showed minor fatigue or discomfort, no more than 5%. Fever is a major index by which we evaluate a vaccine's safety, that limited to about 2 to 3%. As for effectiveness, after 2 injections, almost all volunteers developed antibodies, around 97 to 98%.
Along with Sinovac's vaccine, China has 3 COVID-19 vaccine candidates that have entered phase 3 clinical trials, making up of half of the world's 6. Sinopharm's candidate, also an inactivated type, entered phase 3 trials in late June. The company says its facilities in Beijing and Wuhan can produce 2.2 million doses a year.
The phase 3 clinical trials haven't been completed and the vaccine has not officially been approved and marketed as of now. But as a commodity, in the case of an emergency, foreign governments can purchase vaccines from us. There is no obstacle to such purchases. We'll supply the vaccine to whoever buys it. This is in compliance with the law.
The developers of these 2 vaccines say they are expected to enter the market by the end of this year.